I bet you didn't know Angola's top dish is a taste explosion waiting to happen. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Today, we're uncovering Angola's best-kept culinary secret, Moamba de Galinha. This rich and savory chicken stew is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of Angolan culture. Picture tender chicken simmering in a luscious sauce made from palm oil, garlic, okra, and a blend of African spices. The result? A mouth-watering symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. But that's not all. This dish carries the warmth and hospitality of Angolan families. It's often served during special occasions, bringing loved ones together around the table. Imagine the aroma filling your kitchen as you cook, the spices mingling with the juicy chicken, creating a feast for your senses. And the best part? Moamba de Galinha pairs perfectly with funge, a traditional cassava root side dish, for the ultimate authentic experience. So why not bring a piece of Angola to your home tonight? With each bite, you're not just tasting a dish, you're savoring a story, a tradition, and a piece of Angola's heart. Ready to give it a try? Grab your ingredients, follow our easy recipe, and embark on this flavorful journey. Happy cooking, food lovers!